Hey guys, so I have multiple things to talk to you about with today, but I could only fit so much stuff in the title of the video. First of all, this shirt right here I got at Five Below for $5. It's the Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas You Scared shirt. It's got four characters on it, Jack and Sally, and I honestly don't know these guys' names, but for $5, I thought it was a really nice shirt, and it's super soft, so that's at Five Below. And then I also wanted to talk to you about this lip combo I have on. Now, blue lip gloss is very rare, and I have the Lottie London blue lip gloss from last year's Halloween collection. It's called Witches, and if you just wear this by itself, it's not really going to show up that well. But what a lot of people forget is Wet n Wild's multi-sticks are meant to be used eyes, lips, or face, however you want to use them. And if you put this down as a base, any blue lip gloss that you have is going to really pop over it. So I wanted to show you, a good way to use blue lip gloss so that you can actually enjoy the color blue. So that's what I did today, and this is called Blue La La, and it's available pretty much everywhere, and it's very, very affordable. I think it's like even under $3. I think if you buy it at Walmart, it's like $2.98. So if you have a blue lip gloss, then you kind of need this to really enhance the blue. This is a year old now, so technically I should be throwing it out, but I'm so reluctant to let go of my uh, stuff from last year. I might just use all my Halloween makeup collection items for the month of September, at least. So there's that. Now, the next thing I want to talk to you about is there is a new Lottie London collection coming out for Halloween, and it's going to be exclusive to CVS stores unless you're in the UK. If you're in the UK, it's going to be at your drugstores most likely. I know it's on the Lottie London UK website already if you want to look at all the pictures of it, but what I'm going to do is put the pictures of the products in this video so that you can see, because this is coming to CVS and I want you to be on the lookout for it. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, well, I don't have Lottie London at my CVS, you might. I went into CVS the other day and I walked around the corner of what used to be, oh, what was the brand that they used to have in there? It was a brand that I tried one time and I didn't like it. Well, they pulled it out and they put in a Lottie London section. And in the middle of it is a featured area. Okay, so the summer collection was still there in that featured area, but I'm sure any day now they're going to pull that out and put this Harley Quinn Halloween collection in that slot, or they might even put it in one of the cardboard displays that they have when you first walk into CVS. So be on the lookout for this. So now I am going to show you some pictures of this collection, the promo picture, and pictures of the items that will be in this collection. I am so excited, you guys. I can't wait. If you were with me last Halloween, you might remember that I did a Harley Quinn makeup tutorial, and I thought it came out pretty good. So if you want to see that video, go to my channel page, and then in the search box type in Harley Quinn, and it will lead you to that video, because yeah, that was really fun. I really enjoyed that, so I can't wait to get my hands on this collection. I probably won't buy the whole collection. I'll probably do what I've been doing with these other collections and just picking out the things that I think I would get the most use out of or enjoy the most. So right here, I'm going to put some pictures. Okay, so there's a face primer, and then there are some lip repair oils in two different shades. There are some glittery lip glosses in two different shades. There are two different eyeshadow palettes. There's a highlighter, face highlighter. There's an eyeliner that has a heart stamp on the other side. There are some jewels, stick-on jewels, two different styles. And last but not least, there is a color-changing makeup sponge. So right as I went to go get these pictures, I was originally going to get them off the Lottie London website. They were up on the CVS website, and it said in stores. So later today, I'm going to go see what I can find. But a lot of times it'll say in store at CVS's website, and then you get there and it's not out yet. So this could still be in boxes because the girl that works at my CVS, I don't think she works weekends, so I may have to wait until, and then Monday is a holiday here in the United States, so I may have to wait till Tuesday to see what I can find from this, but we shall see. So that is the new Lottie London and Harley Quinn makeup collection for Halloween. I'm excited. I can't wait to see this in person and pick up some of the items, not all, but some. Bye, guys.